Hi everyone, my name is Chris Behrens, and welcome to my course, Automating Jenkins Using Groovy. Jenkins is a powerful build server, and the main reason any build server exists is to automate processes. When you need to work outside the box that the Jenkins designers imagined for you, the premier tool is Groovy, a powerful Java-based scripting language. Some of the major topics that we will cover include the fundamentals of the Groovy language, how Groovy works with Jenkins, automating plugins and credentials, and sharing codes between scripts and pipelines. By the end of this course, you all have the skills and knowledge of how to automate important work with Jenkins and how to leverage Groovy to move your builds into version control. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with Jenkins, build engineering, and software development in general. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into advanced Jenkins courses on Jenkins administration, software deployment, and advanced Jenkins pipelines. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to drive Jenkins with script in the Automating Jenkins Using Groovy course at Pluralsight.